Today, we delve into a profound and fascinating topic: the relationship between creation, as described in the Bible, and the theory of evolution. As future theologians and leaders, it is essential that we navigate these waters with wisdom and discernment, understanding both the biblical narrative and contemporary scientific discoveries. In the book of Genesis, we find the account of creation, where God, in his infinite wisdom and power, created the heavens and the earth, the sea, and everything in them in 6 days. Each creative act reveals the order, intentionality, and beauty of the divine plan. Man and woman, created in the image of God, placed in the Garden of Eden, a place of harmony and prosperity. On the other hand, science offers us the theory of evolution, developed from the observations of Charles Darwin and other scientists over the centuries. Evolution describes a long and gradual process by which species adapt and change over time, through natural selection and other biological forces. This theory is supported by a vast body of fossil, genetic, and biological evidence. Now, how do we reconcile these two perspectives? This is one of the great questions of contemporary theology. Some see the Genesis narrative as a literal account, believing that God created the world in 6 24-hour days. Others understand these days as indeterminate periods of time, allowing for a more metaphorical interpretation that aligns with the long processes described by science. There are also those who adopt an intermediate position known as evolutionary creationism or theistic evolution. They believe that God created the universe and that evolution is the method by which he carried out his creative work. This view suggests that science and faith are not mutually exclusive, but complementary. Science shows us the how of creation, while faith reveals the why. As future theologians, you have the responsibility to explore these issues with open minds and generous hearts. Understanding science does not diminish faith. Instead, it can enrich it, offering new ways to appreciate the grandeur of the Creator. The complexity and wonder of evolution can be seen as a testament to divine wisdom. While you study and reflect on these themes, remember that true prosperity goes beyond the accumulation of material goods. It involves holistic growth, spiritual, intellectual, and emotional. By deepening your knowledge of creation and evolution, you are preparing to live richer and more meaningful lives. Observe the order and beauty of the natural world. See the interconnectedness in all things. Use this understanding to cultivate peace and harmony in your personal lives and communities. The pursuit of knowledge should be done with humility and enthusiasm. Every intellectual challenge is an opportunity to grow and draw closer to the Creator. You are called to be light in the world. Just as God brought light to the darkness at the beginning of time, you have the mission to bring clarity and illumination to a world that is often confused. Be seekers of truth, defenders of justice, and living examples of love. Let this study not be just an academic exercise, but a journey that strengthens your faith and enriches your lives. Move forward with courage, curiosity, and compassion, confident that divine truth is revealed both in faith and reason. May God bless you abundantly as you embark on this path of discovery and growth.